Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Nina's Kitchen. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. And this is a Sunday morning that I'm getting ready to start doing this. Okay, first we'll have my morning verse. And it's coming from Psalm 68, 6. Okay, God sends the loneliness in the families. He leads forth the prisoners with the singing. But the rebellious live in a sun-scorched land. Okay? So this is coming from Psalm 68, 6. Thank you so much. Now I'm getting ready to get started. I have some turkey necks that I'm going to do right now. And this is what they look like. I found these in the store yesterday. This is a small pack. And they were already chopped up like oxtails. And I said this would be a good deal for me to show you how did I do these oxtails. So I'm going to cook them in the pressure cooker for about 35 minutes. But first of all, I will be putting in all my ingredients. So and I'll also will be adding bell peppers and potatoes, and I have the Oxtail Seasoning that will be going in. And I'll be putting about 1/4 of a cup of the Oxtail Seasoning in here. Okay. I put about 1/4 of a cup of the Oxtail Seasoning in here. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in my black pepper. Okay. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Okay, and complete. Okay, that's probably about 1/4 or 1/3 of a cup of complete. So now I'll be putting in my oxtails. The turkey necks. I'm going to pour everything in at one time.
Y'all, they have them cut just like oxtails.
And I have the onions and bell peppers will be going in. And I'm also going to be putting in potatoes. I have about, 3 potatoes chopped up. About 3 potatoes chopped up. All right. So everything is going in at one time. I was going to get a spoon and just stir it around just a little bit for you. So you see that I'll be putting it in the pressure cooker and just stir it. All right, I'm going to stir it up in here. So this is very delicious. I have one of these recipes on here already. So now I can also put the red pepper in it, but I'm not putting it in it right now. So, okay, so now I'm going to, I think I have to put just a little bit more water in it. I have 1 bottle of water to start with. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't need the whole bottle of water. All right, so now I'm getting ready to go and put it in the pressure cooker. Now, when it gets ready, I'll be back shortly. Thank you. All right, so now if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also, when you cook this on top of the stove in the pot, I would suggest that you would do the turkey necks for about an hour, and then but don't put the potatoes in until the turkey necks are tender. Now I don't know, like I said, sometimes you find turkey necks and they still may be tougher than what you want. You know how you want them to cook off the bone or whatever. So you wait till they cook to advantage that you would like to have them to cook, that they'll fall off the bone or whatever. But anyway, that's how I want to explain to you that, because I can do them in a pressure cooker anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes. And they'll be ready for me to put my potatoes in. They all go in at one time. But don't put your potatoes in at one time. Thank you so much. Okay, I was able to find a package of turkey necks that was shaped like oxtails, and I thought this would be a good way to show you how it came out. So now I told you I started them, and I put mine in a pressure cooker to cook. But now, like I said, everybody don't have a pressure cooker, so those that don't have a pressure cooker, just put them on top of the stove, and you know when they're done for you, because some of them may be a little tougher than others. I don't know. All this kind of meat is kind of different right now. So anyway, but this is very, very good. So I guess the girls want to try this too. So I'm going to let them try it together.
I want to try it.
No. It's free.
All right, let's get a little bite with the potato.
Let me go.
Get one.
Give me a plate.
You don't need a plate. Just eat a little piece out of there.
Come on. Just get a little piece out here. You can get you something in the hot fire. Yeah, wait a minute. Now, you got it on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Everybody's getting them a little taste of this turkey necks oxtail. They're very good. This is my second.
It's good.
I think this is my second round with putting them up with the Oxtail Seasoning. And they are very, very good. What you say about it, ladies?
Good.
All right, what you give it?
Good. 10 out of 10.
Huh?
10 out of 10.
10 and 10? Okay.
I'm going to get 100.
So you know they're good. It's 10 and 10.
100.
All right.
I don't like this.
Yeah. Okay.
I said she don't like the potatoes. She just like the
Oh,
meat.
she don't like the potatoes. She's like the meat. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much. And so we get 10 and 10 for the meat. Yeah, don't worry about the potatoes. Potatoes, if you want to put them on, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. Okay. So may God bless you all. And I thank all of my subscribers and the new ones and all the ones that's coming in. I appreciate everybody. And I want you all to try this. If you don't have anything but turkey necks and you can't get the neck bone, the oxtails, I know they're very expensive here in Texas. I don't know where they are at different places, but they're very expensive here. So I let the next thing go, and that's the turkey neck. So, and this make it taste ideally like the oxtail with the turkey oxtail seasoning in it. So thank you all so much. I'll see you on the next video. Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. Bye bye.